In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share Google Drive folders with links and emails, the easy way. This is a super useful skill, whether you're collaborating with a team, sending files to a client, or just making sure the right people can access your folders without any confusion. I'll walk you through both methods step by step, and I'll also explain the difference between link sharing and email sharing, so you can choose the best option every time. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Drive and find the folder you want to share. Once you see the folder, right-click on it. This opens the menu with all the sharing options. From that menu, click Share. In some cases, you may need to click Share again to open the full sharing window, so don't worry if you see that extra step. Now you'll see the sharing settings for that folder. If you want to share by link, look for the General Access section. By default, this is usually restricted, which means only people you invite directly can access it. To create a shareable link, click the dropdown and change it to Anyone with the link. After that, you'll need to choose the permission level. You can set it to Viewer if you only want people to view the files. You can choose Commenter if you want them to leave comments without making changes, or you can choose Editor if you want them to be able to edit the folder contents. Pick the option that matches how much control you want to give. Once you've selected the right permission, click Copy Link. Now the folder link is ready to send to anyone you want. You can paste it into an email, a message, a chat app, or wherever you need it. Just remember, if you choose Anyone with the link, then anyone who gets that link can potentially access the folder based on the permission you selected. Now let's go over the second method, which is sharing by email. This is the better option when you want to give access to specific people only. To do this, right-click the folder again and click Share. In the sharing window, go to the section where you can add people in groups. Type in the person's email address. You can also add multiple email addresses if you want to share with several people at once. Then choose the permission level again. Viewer is best for read-only access, Commenter allows feedback, and Editor gives full editing access. After that, click Send. Google Drive will then share the folder directly with those people, and they'll receive an email invitation to open it. This method is more controlled because only the people you enter will be able to access the folder. So if you're wondering which option to use, here's the simple rule. Use link sharing when you want fast, easy access for a group or for people who don't need individual invitations. Use email sharing when you want better privacy and control over exactly who can open the folder. And if you ever need to change access later, you can always go back into the share settings, update the permission, remove people, or switch the folder back to restricted. That gives you full control over your Google Drive sharing settings. So now you know how to share Google Drive folders with links and emails in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.